Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Nada and Nahran. Today Nada will show you how to code.
Thank you, Nehrin. First, we will go to Google. Then, in Google search, we will type mit.app-inventor. Click on that. After that, you will get the first link, MIT App Inventor. You will go there. Then, on the top, you can see Create Apps. After you click there, you will see Start New Project. You will click there and give the project a name. I gave Talk to Me. Then we will save. And we got a phone screen in front. We will go to button, which is on the side. Then drag it to the phone. After that, you will click at the button. Then at the properties panel, you can see text. In there, instead of text, you will type talk to me or any of your choice. Then after that, if you press in the phone, instead of button 1, you can see talk to me. Then we will go medias, which is everything else. You will click at the media. Then you can see cam recorder and like that. After that, you will take text to speech. Drag it to the phone like how we did with the button. So you can see. And in the other side, with the button to speech one. After that, we will go to blocks. Go to button 1. When button 1, click do, and we will drag it to the work area. After that, go to text to speech. In there, we will take the third button, text to speech, and speak message. After we do that, go to text, which is with a pink color box. Click over there and you can see a box. In there, for example, we can type anything like welcome Nada and Nehrin, or thank you very much, and like that. Then we will go to designer, click connect, which is on the top with the MIT App Inventor. Take AI Companion. Then you will download the app MIT App Inventor on the phone or iPad or whatever you have. After that, we can get scan QR code or connect with code. If we do it with connect with code, you can see some letters and numbers. If you do with QR code, then we have to scan. So I prefer scanning because it is much more easier. Then after scanning, we can get a loading box. Then you can get the item on your phone. It will take some time to load, but after a few seconds or minutes, we can hear the voice, a lady voice saying welcome to Nada and Nehrin. Then it will be just like a magic. So That's all.
Thank you, Nada. That was really interesting.
Thank you all for watching our video. Bye until next video.